Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see how to prepare a broccoli garlic stir fry dish. So this is a very interesting and easy recipe, and especially for the Weight Watchers, this can be had like a breakfast in the morning or it can be substituted for lunch also. So this with a mild soup will go very well and it actually fills your stomach. This is a very interesting recipe, and if you're watching my video for the first time, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. So for making the broccoli garlic stir fry, I've taken one small bunch of broccoli, just cut into small florets, and I've taken 6 to 7 flakes of garlic. I've finely chopped into small pieces. I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, which is nothing but the scraping of the skin of the lemon, pepper powder around half a teaspoon, salt as per taste, ghee for this, for frying the broccoli. First what I've done is I've actually boiled some water, and in the boiling water I'm just adding the broccoli florets. Just make sure that the broccoli is completely immersed in the hot water. I'm just going to close this and keep it for about 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this broccoli using a strainer, and I'm going to keep it aside. So now we have the blanched broccoli. I've actually strained it, and so in the pan I'm going to add ghee. Once the ghee gets heated up, I'll be adding the finely chopped garlic. Here I've added around 6 to 7 flakes of garlic. If you like the flavor of garlic, you can even add 2 to 3 flakes more. Now the garlic is fried, and I'm adding the blanched broccoli. Let's stir fry this for a few minutes. Then keep the flame somewhere in medium to low. Broccoli gets cooked very fast. So you can either use olive oil or ghee. I personally like the flavor of ghee, so I've added ghee. Just keep frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a very quick stir fry. Also adding some salt finally after 2 minutes, and some amount of black pepper powder. This is the only spice in this stir fry. Broccoli is nicely coated with salt and pepper, and the flavor of garlic really enhances this dish. So finally I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon zest. So lemon zest is nothing but you're going to slightly grate the skin of the lemon. Just make sure that the white part is not scraped, only the outer yellow or the green part is scraped. So the oil is always on the skin of the lemon. So that is the portion usually we discard it off. So if you scrape the zest of the lemon, so you get the benefits of the lemon oil as well. So I've added the lemon zest around half a teaspoon, and also I've squeezed half a lemon. The very tasty, yummy and healthy broccoli garlic stir fry is ready. So this can be had like a breakfast also. It helps in weight loss. The kids who do not like broccoli also will like it. So I hope you'll all try out this recipe, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. Have a great day.